This is the video application for Abofind. This project wants to solve the problem of access to legal services from the customer's perspective, and from the lawyer's perspective it will provide them access to a wider market. It will also solve the difficulties that customers face regarding the value of legal services, since the program application will provide estimated detail of the legal fees regarding different services. This solution is through an application which will provide a directory of professionals, lawyers that provide services in different areas. So customers will be able to search regarding different criteria the lawyer that is better suitable for the specific needs. So I will introduce you now to my team of external consultants who have been providing me with input. I have been working with Jorge Payao, who is a designer and is helping me with application development, and with journalist Eduardo Arellana, who is helping me with content development. So this is my team. I strongly believe that we have a good project, so please support us with the S Factory funding. Thank you very much.